Hello coders, welcome back again to today's session of Mastering Spring Cloud Microservice Playlist. So in this video, we comparing monolithic versus microservice architecture. Okay, so let's understand what is monolithic architecture. So monolithic architecture is nothing but all your business logic, which is written in a one single project. So we develop one blogging website in our Spring Boot microservice playlist. So in that playlist, we write all our business logic, like we have blog module over there, we have comment module over there, we have authentication authorization module over there. All these modules written in a single project. That is called a monolithic architecture. So when we go for monolithic architecture, when you have a less team, okay, your team size is very less and your budget is also not at that level. Why? Because when you building monolithic project, okay, one single project over there required only a single server, so cost is also reduced. So if you have these type of scenarios, you go for a monolithic architecture, or your project not expect huge number of requests. For example, if you're building some project which is proof of concept, or it is an initial stage, like this, it is like startup type project, initial stage, you go for monolithic project. But one of the biggest disadvantage of a monolithic project is all modules of your project is tightly coupled. For example, when you do any changes in a blog module, or if you do any changes in a authentication authorization module, you need to deploy the whole application. So all our components are tightly coupled with each other. Okay, so this is one of the biggest disadvantage. To remove this biggest disadvantage, microservice architecture come in picture. So in microservice architecture, what exactly we are doing? We divide our all modules in a small bunch of units. Okay, for example, in our blogging website, we create blog module over there, comment module over there, okay, then gateway over there, then we create authentication authorization module. Okay, so we divide the module in a small bunch of units. So that reason, all modules are loosely coupled with each other. We can independently deploy a blog module, you can independently deploy a comment module. Okay, if you want to do any changes in authentication authorization, you can do that. Okay, so flexibility over there. But due to that, we need to do lots of configuration. As you see in above diagram, okay, we need to do a lots of configuration, like we need to implement service registry in discovery, okay, to communicate with each and every microservice. We need to implement Spring Cloud configuration. So lots of configuration over there. Due to that, complexity of a project increase. With that, cost also increase, because in a monolithic project, we need only single server. But in a microservice project, we need a dedicated servers for each pods. So that reason cost is increases. So that are overall comparison between monolithic and microservice architecture. I hope you understand the whole concept. Okay. In the next video, we implement a blog, a microservice from scratch. So if you like our video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon. Let's meet on next video. Till then, keep learning, keep upscaling. Thanks for watching.